इतना सा फर्क है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to each and every friend who has joined us today for this webinar. I, Archana Sharma, on behalf of Franchise India team, welcomes you to our Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series. Franchise India is a platform through which all the investors are getting the business solutions, feedback and suggestions from our consultant who are present in 80 plus cities. And we truly claim that no one sells more business than us because we have serviced more than 5,000 brands for their franchise expansion. This is a digital representation of the brand for the day so that you get an understanding about the franchise option and the business opportunity they are presenting for each one of you. We welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav Sir and Sonia ma'am. During the course of this particular webinar, where we have 40-50 minutes to talk about the brand and industry, they'll be sharing their insights, suggestions with each one of us so that we can take a final conscious decision of taking the right franchise. The brand which we are representing for each one of you is Rolls Point. And we invite Mr. Mayank Awasthi, who will be talking about this QSR brand and how they became the leader in this particular market. Thank you so much, Mayank, for sparing time and joining us today for this particular webinar to present your brand. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Archana ji. Thank you very much. Just share the screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. We can see. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mayank Awasthi, and I'm here to present my brand, Roll Point by Wraps and Rice. I'll just start with a brief introduction about the brand. This brand was started in 2009 by the name of Wraps and Rice, and now this brand has evolved to the name Roll Point by Wraps and Rice. The average bill value here is 350 rupees for average of 2 people. We don't do dine-ins. We serve drive-ins, outdoor sittings. We give takeaways. This is a QSR brand. We give home deliveries. Our menu is very extensive and diversified. It consists of rolls, shawarmas, biryanis, and everything. It is very diversified menu. We are basically known for good quality, serving good quality. Quality is a major concern for this brand. Great portions. Our mission is to provide best food in town with a very reasonable price, with a very pocket-friendly price, very extensive menu. As I said, we have taken different cuisines across the globe and we have put it in this menu. The quantity is very good. It is a value for money product. Now we've taken extra care for packaging. We understand that the food has to travel before it is being consumed. So we have used tamper-proof packaging. Special concern has been given to the packaging. We have different box for rolls, wraps. We have different containers for biryani so that it is uh, consumed as it is delivered from the outlet. This is some review from our customer. We have many such reviews. Again, this brand is a decade-old QSR. We started it in 2009 and now we have over 11 years, 12 years of experience. Now, these are our products. As I said, we have very diversified menu, very extensive menu. It has more than 50 number of varieties in every possible category. Like we serve wraps, shawarmas, tikkas, kebabs, authentic Hyderabadi dum biryani, hot dogs, authentic Chinese cuisines. We serve some signature main course dishes as well. Now we have varieties under these categories also, like we have 25 variety of veg rolls, wraps. We have 25 varieties of non-veg wraps. I think this is the largest variety possible in any brand in this country. We have shawarmas. Shawarmas, we serve like 7 to 8 varieties of shawarmas. Tikkas, kebabs, our menu is very unique. We have taken items from different cities. We have taken items that has unique recipes. Like we serve galoti kebab from Lucknow. We serve authentic Hyderabadi dum biryani. We serve North Indian tikkas. We serve Indian street food special hot dogs and Chinese momos, shawarmas. Everything we serve under this brand. And the major plus of this brand is it is a QSR brand. It does not have many overheads, overhead costs. The fixed expenditure is very low. The staff is very, I would say, less number of staff is required other than full-fledged restaurants. And this menu, even the full-fledged restaurants cannot serve this extensive menu that we serve under a small QSR brand. As I said, our menu is very strategically priced. It starts from 30 rupees and goes up to 1200 rupees. So it makes a must-stop point for all. Chahe bachcha ho, chahe bada ho, every person in the family, it makes a must-stop point for all. 30 rupees se menu shuru ho jata hai. We serve hot dogs in desi ghee from 30 rupees, and we have different variety of rolls that starts from 30-40 rupees and goes up to 120-160 rupees. बच्चों को अगर फास्ट फूड खाना है तो दिस इज अ प्लेस. फैमिली को अगर मेन कोर्स खाना है, वी हैव सिग्नेचर डिशेस. मेन कोर्स है, बिरयानी है, हॉट डॉग्स हैं, शावरमास हैं, टिक्कास हैं फॉर स्टार्टर्स, तंदूरी स्टार्टर्स, चाइनीज स्टार्टर्स. एवरीथिंग वी प्रोवाइड अंडर दिस ब्रांड. The major plus with this brand is we have a live kitchen format, which allows the customer to customize their product. किसी को ज़्यादा मिर्ची खानी है, किसी को ज़्यादा मेयोनीज डलवानी है. Some say we need extra egg in our wrap. Some say we need extra chili, extra mayonnaise, extra cheese. We customize the product according to the customer. Menu is very diversified, be it Californian legendary chicken mayonnaise wrap, desi potato wrap, hot chili chicken wrap, mild corn and spinach wrap. We serve it all. As I said, it is the only brand that serves all the cuisines possible in the world. We serve Tibetan momos, we serve Lebanese shawarmas, we have authentic Chinese, we have authentic Hyderabadi dum biryani. Our variety of wraps is the maximum possible in this country. We have more than 25 varieties of vegetarian, non-vegetarian wraps. This makes our brand very different from any possible brand which serves under which serves these items. This is a brief introduction about myself. I've done my engineering in electronics, and then I've done my master's in management from a reputed college in Pune. I was working for a MNC, then I decided to start my own venture. This is how we came up with the idea of Wraps and Rice in 2009. We started it, and now over 11 years of experience, we have come up with a rock solid model for to franchise, and we have partnered with Franchise India, which is the best platform possible to franchise the outlets in this country. We are very passionate about what we do. We've taken our time, पूरी study करी गई है. We've seen the market trends. We have overcome all the possible difficulties, so which makes this model very efficient and scalable for any franchisee. उसको कुछ भी नहीं करना. Like we have done, we are currently now have 3 outlets in Indore. हम देख रहे हैं जो भी हम आउटलेट खोल रहे हैं उसमें सारी डिफिकल्टीज ऑलरेडी ओवरकम है, एंड वी आर गेटिंग वेरी गुड numbers from the day one. These are pictures of our outlets. Yeah, as I said, this is very adaptable format. This is very scalable format. कहीं पे भी आप इसको, this brand can come into main bazaars. This brand can come into residential markets, malls, high streets, travel retails, educational hubs, corporate locations, anywhere. The success is 100% under this brand. This is very compact and very efficient setup. Ideally, it is for a takeaway, and we do home deliveries. We serve drive-ins. बहुत customer. This is the footfall we have any point. Any time of the day. It is a very popular brand in Indore. Indore में सब हमें जानते हैं. You can get feedbacks anywhere from anybody in Indore. This is the third outlet that we have. This is the newest outlet that we have opened this 3rd of March. आप देख सकते हैं, the footfalls are amazing. The numbers are very amazing. We are very confident with our product. Yeah. Now here we are to expand our business. As I said, we have currently 3 outlets in Indore. This is a very scalable format. We are here to discuss the opportunities that we are offering. We are offering all possible opportunities, be it a direct FOFO single unit franchise, or master franchise, or a multi-unit franchise, wherein the master franchisee will have a right to sub-franchise with a minimum commitment of some amount of outlets according to the city, or a single owner can take multi-unit franchise also. This can be at city, district level, state, regional level. Now, these are some numbers. As we've seen, one outlet of ours has a potential of serving 5 to 6 lakh population of that area. So with MP having population of 8.5 crores, or be it any state having a similar population, will have a potential of having 50 to 100 outlets in that state. For example, yeah, like a city of Pune have approximately 80 lakh population, which can easily have a potential of 10 to 12 outlets of ours. Now, what are we offering to the franchisees? What are the functions and supports that we are giving to the franchisees? सब कुछ उनका किया जाएगा. We will select the site for them. अगर उनको चाहिए, we will guide them what is the place which will be best suited for this business. How to develop the place. We will design the store according to the size. Equipment, FFEs, furniture sourcing, सारी करी जाएगी उनकी. Local vendor appointment, material supply, from scratch to running business process, everything will be done for them. They don't have to worry about anything. Now we have a dedicated team that does R&D, which sees the pattern, the regional priorities, and then we develop the menu also accordingly. We develop the recipes also accordingly. We add some products in the menu. Like we have added some products recently. Soya chap, we're serving rolls, starters, main course, everything. We modified the menu. There's a team that looks after the marketing, which will help you to attract new customers, which will also help you to attract and retain the already existing customers. Complete marketing material उनको दिया जाएगा. Staff training for this model, staff training is the key. पूरी training दी जाएगी. Also now we have some premix spice premix that will be provided to the franchisees, so they don't have to worry about anything. They don't have to worry about the taste. ज़्यादा skilled staff की भी जरूरत नहीं होगी. एक operational manual दिया जाएगा, which will help them, which will guide them to run the process, to run the business. Delivery partners से उनकी tie-ups कराई जाएंगी. There'll be a frequent review and audit. We will have a close eye on the business. We will see how is it going, what is to be done to get more sales. We will help them to attract new customers. We will guide them where they're going wrong, where they're going right, what they should do to promote the business, what they should do to retain the customers. Yeah, every market, every city in this country will have a potential for this brand. As I said, the menu is so diversified and so extensive. It starts with 30 rupees. उसमें सारी चीजें हैं, from hot dog, कोई से भी pocket size का आदमी product ले सकता है. और this is for the main bazaars. This will attract a lot of population, lot of customers under this brand. And now these are some financials. Now we have come up with two models. One is 300 square feet outlet and the other one is 600 square feet outlet. With the investment, the smaller QSR of 300 square feet or less will have a investment of 10 lakhs. That is all the franchisee has to invest for outlet less than 300 square feet, and for a greater outlet, greater square feet outlet of 600 or more, the franchise investment will be 15 lakhs. This is all. This will include the franchise fee of 5%, 5 lakhs, and the royalty charge will be 8%. Now, this model will have a very high return on investment, which will reduce the payback time to 15 months and 18 months accordingly. The term of this franchise agreement will be 5 years. Now, here's a projection that we have done, that this is the minimum that we expect, and a practical projection that we have given for any franchisee to look into. Our average bill is 350 rupees. We currently are doing more than 100 bills per day, but for a new franchise or for a new outlet in new city, we are considering a bill per day value to be 50, which gives a monthly revenue of 4 to 5 lakhs at least. Now here's the division that we'll be doing on monthly expense. The food cost is 30%. We have designed the menu so that the pricing is done so that the food cost will not overpower 30% of the cost. The rent, again, we are taking on the higher side, 50K per month for an outlet of 200 square feet. I think this rent, we will get an outlet in high streets and the main markets in every city. Again, the salary and staff cost will be 12 to 14%. The royalty charge, as I said, is 8%. Local marketing cost will be 2%. Utility cost could be utilities like electricity, gas, everything. They accumulate to 8 to 10%. This gives a total of 72 to 75%, which leaves a net profit of 25 to 28% for any franchisee. In terms of rupees, this will come down to, if we consider a sale of 4 or to 5 lakhs, this will come down to 1 to 1.5 lakh minimum for every month. I think this is the model that we are projecting. This is very affordable, very low investment, high return model, very potential ROI, and the payback will be in 1 year or 1.25 years. This is the model that we have come up with. Now we've done the complete study. We have looked into the market patterns. We know what is the product. Our roots are damn steady and solid. Now we've come up with a perfect plan with 100% success. Yes, this is all from my side. Ashna ji, Sonia ma'am, any queries?
Anji, thank you so much, Mayank. Very, very interesting presentation, and we also have questions coming in. And friends, I will request, while I see some questions already have started to pour in, जो भी आपके questions हैं आप पूछना चाहते हैं, जिस city में आप खोलना चाहते हैं, आप please पूछिए, and we'll ask Mayank with on the same. And just to add on this opportunity, wraps and rolls, it is today, this particular category is a growing pie in the overall, QSR market. And it's a very simple, convenient product. And today, if I talk about the fondness, of the product, if you go back to your school days, we remember there used to be a roll of chapati or paratha, which had vegetables and sometimes maybe jam or butter, where our parathas and rotis were rolled in. That was done to bring, health or maybe convenience, so to say. And today, F&B players like Mayank Rolls Point, they're increasingly offering even a greater variation to this convenient meal, which is widely popular not only in India but across the globe. And we call it by different names, from wraps to rolls to Frankies is what the food is called. And it also has no geographical boundaries because it is consumed all across the geographies and with, like I said, regional variations. And consumers prefer to eat wraps at any day in time, and it is very high repeat rate, I would say, from the customer point of view, making it comparatively a profitable franchise opportunity for a business partner. But I think what Mayank also mentioned was the location. Location is very important for a product like this, and most of the locations that you saw, I think I saw all the 3 locations, and these locations had almost a queue of people lined up. So I'll take up the questions, Mayank ji. To start off with, मैं सबसे पहले जो क्वेश्चन लेना चाहूंगी business model पे ही लूंगी. I think what we have talked about is the business model of 300 square feet and 600 square feet के 2 मॉडल हैं, जहाँ पे हमारी इन्वेस्टमेंट 10 लाख है और 15 लाख है. एक आपने जो कंपोनेंट डाला था फ्रेंचाइज फीस का भी डाला था. इज दैट ओवर एंड अबव द इन्वेस्टमेंट या वो उसका ही पार्ट है?
नहीं सोनिया जी, the franchise fee is including this investment. This is included in this investment. The 10 lakhs and 15 lakhs for a QSR of 300 and 600 square feet will have the franchise fee included.
Okay, that's including. Okay, because that was one question and I also wanted to clarify. So friends, this is including the entire investment. जो franchise fees का component अलग से दिखाया so that you know what franchise fees are we charging. But overall investment when calculated includes the franchise fees which you need to give. एंड मैंग जी, दूसरा क्वेश्चन जो मैं लेना चाहूंगी, जैसे हमने ओवरऑल बिजनेस के बारे में बात की, टिपिकल रेवेन्यू क्या हमारा बिजनेस करता है, उसमें हमने जो प्रोजेक्शंस ली हैं, हमने लिए 4-4.5 लाख का बिजनेस है जो एक थ्रूपुट हमारे एक आउटलेट का आता है, जहाँ पे हमारे एपीसीज जो है, हमारा जो एवरेज प्राइस है, अगर मैं टिकट बिल्स की बात करूँ, 50 बिल्स आपने बोले एक दिन में, तकरीबन 300-325 के आसपास आपका एवरेज एवरेज हमारा प्राइस रहता है. और अगर हम मॉडल को बात करें, बिकॉज हमने जो किया है, हैव यू टेकन अ मीडियन या हम बड़े या छोटे मॉडल की बात कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज यहाँ पे 2 मॉडल हम डिस्कस करें, 300 का, एक 600 का. तो ये जो हम सेल्स प्रोजेक्शंस की जो हम बात करते हैं, दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन,
ये हम छोटे मॉडल्स की बात कर रहे हैं. वी आर डूइंग इट करेंटली. वी हैव all the 3 outlets under 300 square feet. So what we are talking about is a smaller model. The bigger model will have more sales than this.
ओके तो इसमें जो हमने मॉडल की बात की है इसमें तकरीबन ये आपका डिलीवरी या टेक अवे होगा मोस्टली, बिकॉज जो हमने प्रोजेक्शंस हमने देखे हैं तकरीबन इसमें 30% इज योर फूड कॉस्ट, एंड देन यू हैव 8% एज अ रॉयल्टी, एंड देन यू हैव यूटिलिटी, मार्केटिंग एंड अदर कॉस्ट ऑल पुट टुगेदर। ये आपका तकरीबन आपका 75% का आपका एक खर्चा बैठता है, जिसमें एक नेट जो एक परसेंटेज जो एक पार्टनर को बचता है वो तकरीबन 25% है। इसमें मैम जी एक क्वेश्चन जो मैं लेना चाहती थी, क्योंकि हमारे छोटे फॉर्मेट्स हैं इसमें डिलीवरी भी होगा और हमारे टाइप भी होंगे कुछ डिलीवरी प्लेटफॉर्म्स के साथ, जैसे जोमेटो है, स्विगी है, तो इसमें आप एक डिलीवरी अगर प्लेटफॉर्म आता है तो ये एक कॉस्ट हमारा कंपोनेंट ऐड नहीं हो जाएगा, या हमारा मोस्टली जो बिजनेस है अभी हमारा टेक अवे लोकेशंस पे ही है?
नहीं मैडम, ये बिजनेस सारी चीजों पे है। वी सर्व डाइन इन, ड्राइव इन्स, वी सर्व आउटडोर सिटिंग्स। डिलीवरी ऑफ कोर्स इज अ मेजर कंपोनेंट, और अभी तो पोस्ट कोरोना टाइम्स डिलीवरी हैज कम अप टू बी अ मेजर फैक्टर, जिसमें हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एक डिलीवरी सिस्टम है, एंड ऑल दीज कॉस्ट्स आर इंक्लूडिंग द डिलीवरी कॉस्ट, द डिलीवरी पीपल ओवरहेड्स। तो ये जो भी परसेंट बच रहा है ये आफ्टर ऑल द ओवरहेड्स है, चाहे इसमें डिलीवरी हो, चाहे इसमें आउटडोर सिटिंग्स हो, चाहे इसमें ड्राइव इन्स हो। हमारे आउटलेट्स में व्हाट वी हैव सीन इज कस्टमर आर प्रेफरिंग टू कम इनटू आवर आउटलेट्स अदर देन गोइंग इनटू बिग रेस्टोरेंट्स आफ्टर दिस कोरोना, इज बिकॉज कि वो लाइव किचन फॉर्मेट है, दे आर सीइंग एवरीथिंग बीइंग कुक्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम, एंड आल्सो दे कैन कंज्यूम इन सिटिंग इन देयर व्हीकल्स। मतलब उनको पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट बहुत कम हो जाते हैं, और दिस इज व्हाट अ कस्टमर इज रिक्वायरिंग इन दीज टाइम्स। वो अपनी कार में बैठ करके आराम से खा रहे हैं, कंफर्टेबली खा रहे हैं, rather than this will also increase the sales of the outlet. Like major restaurants पे कस्टमर सोचता है हफ्ते में एक बार जाऊं, दो बार जाऊं, मतलब हम in our outlets customer comes like 2 to 3 times a day also.
Right. That's what I said. It's a high repeat category.
Right.
You have high repeat customers coming more often. Absolutely. जी इसमें अगर मैं बात करूं, अगेन आई एम गोइंग बैक ऑन दी फॉर्मेट्स, अगर हम 300 और 600 स्क्वायर फीट की बात करते हैं तो बेसिक बिजनेस मॉडल में हमारा जो मेन्यू है वो ऑफरिंग हम इंक्रीज करते हैं बड़े फॉर्मेट के लिए? इज द
नहीं,
मेन्यू
ये ऑफरिंग मैडम ऐसी है कि मेजर बिग डाइन-इन्स आल्सो कैन नॉट ऑफर दिस। वी सर्व मोर देन 200 to 250 varieties of food under this menu, and we do it in a small QSR. तो कितना भी बड़ा आउटलेट हो, द मेनू इज सो वास्ट कि इट कवर्स एवरीथिंग।
तो ये हमारा मेन्यू दोनों में सेम ही रहता है, whether that's
दोनों में सेम रहेगा मैम, दोनों में सेम रहेगा।
Okay, the only difference is that you will add seating in the bigger format.
Yes, the sitting or dine-in space will be increased.
ठीक है मैंग जी, वाइल आई रिक्वेस्ट अगर हम थोड़ा सा मेन्यू पे दिखा चाहें, दो तीन क्वेश्चंस जो मैं लूंगी। फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट इज ऑन द सप्लाई चेन, जो हमारा सारा सप्लाई चेन है स्पेशली फूड से रिलेटेड जो भी हमारा सप्लाई चेन है, इज दैट सेंट्रलाइज्ड? आपका कुछ ऐसे प्रोप्राइटरी सॉसेज हैं या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो सप्लाई किए जाते हैं?
मैम दोनों है। फॉर दिस मेनू वी हैव सम spice premix that we will be providing, तो franchisee don't have to worry about the taste, वो वैसा का वैसा ही मिलेगा। and also we have partnerships with some supply partners like Fun Food and all. They will provide every sauce, every material in any city.
एंड इसमें हमारे when we talk about, because हमारा मेन्यू काफी वास्ट है, is there any specific training which is also required for maybe
yes. A training is definitely required in this, लेकिन वो ट्रेनिंग बहुत ज्यादा वास्ट नहीं है। मतलब अब मिनिमम जो कुकिंग स्किल्स होती हैं वो ट्रेन करने के लिए जो ट्रेनिंग लगती है दैट वी प्रोवाइड, और बाकी सब तो वी प्रोवाइड आर प्रीमिक्सेस, तो वो ज्यादा बड़ा काम नहीं है।
So it's a, I would say, idiot proof model जहाँ पे कोई भी पार्टनर शुरू करना चाहते हैं, it does not have too much dependency on the chef and can easily be trained.
Yes, definitely. This any partner will not have any मतलब major difficulties under this business। यही होता है कि स्टाफ डिपेंडेंसी, स्टाफ चला गया, दूसरा आ गया, टेस्ट चेंज हो गया, तो we have taken proper measures कि जो चीज that we are serving from day one to day infinite, the same taste will come.
Sure. Sure. Actually, another thing which I want to ask, currently you're operating out of Indore, and I'm sure you're looking at expansion, while Indore itself is a big opportunity. And you also have inquiries coming from other locations, which I'm seeing also in the Q&A box. So कौन सी ऐसी important markets होंगी जहाँ पे आप जाना चाहेंगे पहली चीज, and I will also take some specific cities from the audience which they are asking particularly on.
जी मैम, every city, I like to clear, every city will have a potential for this brand, but majorly if metropolitans or any cities, tier 1 or tier 2 cities will definitely have a very good business for this brand. Franchisee एक outlet खोलेगा and within no time he will want to open many such outlets in the same city. This is what is happening with us also. We have given a franchisee, we traditionally had a single outlet, and because of the franchise queries that we receive every day, so now we have what we did was we were very worried कि the brand name should not come into picture अगर franchise दो और ये सब दो. Now after giving a franchisee, जो हमने देखा है, जो tremendous support or the potential, the numbers that they are getting, now we've come up with a rock solid model कि हमको अब ये करना ही है, and we want to expand it in pan India, क्योंकि हमने ये देख लिया है कि वही टेस्ट हम दे पा रहे हैं, फ्रेंचाइजी को ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं हो रही है, फ्रेंचाइजी बहुत इजीली मैनेज कर पा रही है, और they are getting very good numbers, they are very happy and they are wanting to open more outlets.
Absolutely. And इसमें अगर मैं कुछ cities का नाम लेके अगर आपसे पूछे, जैसे कोलर है कर्नाटका में, we have Mr. Muddasar from कोलर, वो उस लोकेशन के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं. That is something you might be looking immediately. One, and second is we have Mehak Chatrath ji, and would like to know if Raipur is a location where one.
Raipur is absolutely like Indore. It has a very good potential. It is exactly, I think the market trends, the market conditions are very similar to Indore. So Raipur 100% will have a potential for this brand.
Sure. And also we have Mr. Saurabh Khute from Raigad, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh में Raigad is also a good place, including Miss Somya Jain from Gwalior. So कुछ locations जो आ रही हैं, बैंक जी आप quickly बताना चाहेंगे, are these locations all? I think Gwalior can be very good.
Gwalior is very good. Any city, madam, ये Raigad भी will be very good for this brand, because this brand, these products, एक तो ऐसे products नहीं है कि एकदम नए हो उस market के लिए. Street food है, total local market food है, hot dogs है, rolls हैं, और अगर नया भी होता है तो this will be a plus for them.
हाँ जी.
For that city, मतलब उनको कुछ चीज ऐसी मिलेगी, they will attract more customers.
Right. I think, while the entire India is open, but, because I have, I'll repeat maybe some of the cities and names which I'm hearing from the audience. So we have Kirti Mehta ji from Jabalpur. We have Sandeep Chaudhary ji from Ujjain. So ये दोनों locations भी open हैं. These are very good potential cities. Also, I will like to add, and if Mayank ji would like to say anything about it, Mayank ji, you may go ahead.
Ujjain to madam is 50 kilometers from Indore. So this is no problem at all. Ujjain को तो we can have a very close eye also.
हाँ जी.
तो, जी, और बाकी कोई भी city हो madam, this is Gwalior, Jabalpur, they will not have any difficulty for this brand. They will have a absolute potential for this brand.
Sure. And Mayank जी, इसमें अगर हम ट्रेनिंग की बात करते हैं, while we understand इसमें कोई ऐसा बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट प्रोडक्ट नहीं है कि शेफ का या टीम का जो भी स्टाफ है उसका ट्रेनिंग में डिफिकल्टी हो, बट स्टिल देयर वुड बी सम ट्रेनिंग व्हिच वुड बी गिवन टू दीज पीपल. ये ट्रेनिंग एक तो होती कहाँ पे है? इज देयर अ ट्रेनिंग व्हिच इज डन एट द आउटलेट जहाँ पे लॉन्च होता है? And the other thing is also training of the franchisee himself, because उनका भी training होता है. He also needs to understand day-to-day operations and basic SOPs जो outlet के हैं. तो उनका training हमारा structure क्या रहता है? कितना लंबा training period होता है? Both franchisee as well as the staff.
Right. For staff, first I'll answer for the staff. Staff will have a training at a centralized kitchen that we have at Indore, and also they will be giving training in the outlets. So, and the training period will not be more than 7 to 10 days. This is for staff. Staff को अच्छे से skill कर दिया जाएगा. Even if आफ्टर दैट अ फ्रेंचाइजी डिमांड्स की मेरे को एक स्टाफ आप अपना भेज दीजिए, तो वी कैन ऑल्सो सेंड अ स्टाफ फॉर सम पीरियड for that franchisee. Number one, for training concerning franchisee, तो वो ऐसा है कि ट्रेनिंग तो फ्रेंचाइजी को एज लॉन्ग एज ही इज कनेक्टेड विद द ब्रांड मिलती ही रहेगी, और वेबिनार्स भी होते रहेंगे, सारी ट्रेनिंग उसको समझाया जाएगा फ्रॉम स्क्रैच टू रनिंग बिजनेस, कैसे ऑपरेट करना है, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, क्या वो होगा, वो ऑन डेली बेसिस भी होता रहेगा. एंड आई एम ओपन टू एनी क्वेरीज फॉर फ्रेंचाइजीज एनी टाइम इन द डे.
जी, 2-3 क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कुछ आई थिंक सम पार्ट मे बी आई आल्सो वुड लाइक टू आंसर एंड आई विल आल्सो रिक्वेस्ट इफ यू कैन आल्सो ऐड टू इट. सो we have Gaurav ji, he's asking if there's a minimum guarantee. Then we also have Mehak asking if there's a company owned, company operated model, and I do see something on the ROI and the investment, which Manishi will take it up on the ROI. How long does it take? But talking on the company and company operated operations, friends, we're talking about a franchisee on franchisee operated model. The current 2 outlets which the company is running is equity stores which they have been running, and recently they failed because they have been successfully delivering what they have been doing, and rather, they have gained expertise on this in the last almost a decade. They wanted to venture out and pass on their, I would say, know-how and processes to partners. So it cannot be a company owned or franchisee operated. It has to be franchisee owned, franchisee operated model. Second, no business of this kind comes with any kind of minimum guarantees. And also somebody, especially when you talk about food as an industry, this particular category requires a franchisee to be involved. ये छोटे formats होते हैं, इसमें unit economics, unit efficiencies बहुत ही important हैं. It cannot be pilot operated from a distant location. ये छोटा format है, आपको ensure करना है you have somebody in your family or somebody who's at any given point in time available at the outlet, and किसी भी location को perform करने में, खड़ा करने में एक gestation time होता है जो तकरीबन किसी business को minimum 3 से 6 महीने का लगता है. उसके बाद थोड़ा बहुत business आपका लोग जानने लगते हैं, but initially की जो आपके 3 से 6 महीने हैं, that's where lot of your time would go. Marketing है, local marketing है, आप propaganda करेंगे, social media marketing करेंगे. You will also find your opinion makers, who will start liking the product. And the most important here is also location. Location को देखिए कहाँ पे हमने outlet खोलना है. So a lot of things would go in defining कि वो location ठीक है कि नहीं. And then this is a partnership of like-minded people. अगर आपको लगता है business आपके लिए है, I will also suggest lot of locations are very close to Indore. आप जाइए, maybe spend a day with Mayank ji at the outlet, देखिए how they perform, what the product is, क्या लोग आते हैं, कैसे उनका sales होता है. Maybe spend couple of hours with him in Indore and understand all that. But a business of this nature cannot be run on a FOCO format or minimum guarantees. And every business, comes with some percentage of risk. Franchising भले ही है, आपके पास systems processes हैं, पर आपको अपना business खुद drive करना होगा. This is what I wanted to say. And Mayank ji, anything that you want to add on to it, please go ahead.
Thank you for answering this so perfectly, Sonia ji. और यही है, this is all that I like to say कि ये we've done our study, we've taken our time. इसमें फ्रेंचाइजी को कोई ज्यादा चिंता करने की बात नहीं है. मिनिमम गारंटी अगर वो मांगेंगे रिटर्न में तो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, लेकिन दिस इज 100% सक्सेस फॉर्मेट. उसमें उनको दे डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट क्या उनकी सेल्स आएगी, क्या उनका प्रॉफिट आएगा, एवरीथिंग. और विद द मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ this kind, I don't think they will have any better option than this.
I will also take up, a question by Manishi. He said, investment, Manishi, हमने cover किया है. Maybe you missed on that. There are 2 formats, 300 and 600 square feet. 10 लाख और 15 लाख का investment है. एक में आपका sit down है, दूसरा आपका take away and delivery model है. The other question, Mayank ji, is asking on the return on the investment. Typically आपका जो break even जो sales पे होता है वो आपका 2-3 महीने लगते हैं एक level पे आने के लिए. But ROI के ऊपर कोई guidance, Mayank ji, आपकी जो देना चाहते हैं, क्या time लगता है to get the entire return on the investment?
The payback time, of course, as I mentioned, will be 1 year or 1 year, 3 months, 4 months maximum. Or profitability, so they will start getting from first month. और कितना ROI होता है, this will obviously depend on sales, lekin in 1 or 2 months they will get a net profit of 25%. This is for sure.
Okay, helpful. And Meenakshi, एक चीज, because you have been in this business for a long period, and I see your brand is also trademarked. I see Wraps and Rice, which is a trademark and done by you. So कौन सी ऐसी चीज होगी? And because you took a lot of time to offer your franchise to investors, कौन सी ऐसी एक या दो चीजें होंगी which you think are success factors for a franchisee? Because कोई भी आदमी नया business करता है, he has a fear of losing money, or he feels there might be a risk. So कौन सी ऐसी दो या तीन चीजें जो आपका गाइडेंस होगा, आपका एडवाइस होगा टू योर इन्वेस्टर्स और पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग, जो इस बिजनेस में आना चाहते हैं, which worked for you, because you worked very hard, आपने सारा बिजनेस समझा, कौन सी दो तीन चीजें जो आप बोलेंगे कि इंपॉर्टेंट है किसी भी फ्रेंचाइजी को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए?
मैडम, सबसे पहले तो किसी भी फ्रेंचाइजी को सक्सेस मिलने के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है डेडिकेशन. we are very passionate about what we do. We have seen many difficulties. क्या होता है, आदमी देखता है कि grass is always greener on the other side. आदमी देखता है कि ये business is doing good, food business is very lucrative, but they don't see the hidden problems beside it. उसको पूरा the hard work that they have to do. And now taking this franchisee, ये hard work और ये पूरा process, they will not have to do that much that I had to do for 11 years to overcome all these difficulties. तो सबसे बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट तो ये है. सेकेंड पॉइंट ये है कि एक पूरा बिजनेस प्रोसेस वेल सेट है to obtain new customers, to retain old customers, to attract, to adapt new regional things and modify in the menu. तो सारी चीजें उनको हेल्प मिलेगी, तो they don't have to worry कि अभी बिजनेस ऐसा है, आगे कैसा होगा, या the initial difficulties that any new business has to face, वो सारी problems उनको नहीं face करनी पड़ेगी. This is what we are experiencing in the outlets that we are opening. Like we have opened the third outlet in this 3rd of March. तो this 3rd of March से ही we are getting very good numbers. उसमें कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रही है क्योंकि the process has been set. So this will be a major plus for the franchisee कि उनको initial problems जो होती हैं एक बिजनेस को, एक फूड बिजनेस को रन करने के लिए, वो बहुत आसान नहीं होती हैं और उनको वो फेस नहीं करनी पड़ेंगी. Also they will have a solid support from our side for any problem or any difficulty. I cannot say कि they will not have any difficulty. कोई सी भी difficulty कभी भी आ सकती है, but having our backup will definitely help them to overcome that difficulty ASAP.
Very, very, very helpful, Mayank. एक question हमने supply chain पे, I think we already took that question, but I'll ask for again the benefit of everyone. We have Atul ji, he's one of our partners, our consultant, and he wants to know, he's specifically asking about the rollout plan for Maharashtra and also supply chain, because जो आसपास हैं इंदौर के, वहाँ पे शायद easy होगा, या आपका जो time होगा वो quick होगा. Maybe a distant location would that take time is something which I'm understanding he wants to know, and also on the rollout plan specifically for Maharashtra.
Madam, as such कोई difficulties नहीं है क्योंकि what we do is we giving a spice premix that has a shelf life of years. तो कोई सी भी franchisee है, they can have a spice mix in stock for say 1 month or 2 months. So this will not take much time or any difficulty for any franchisee in Maharashtra or anywhere. And as soon as we'll have some franchisees in any city, we will definitely have a centralized kitchen in the city of that state. तो उनको कोई दिक्कत ऐसे होगी नहीं.
Okay. And
also for Maharashtra, we have some multi-unit franchise that we are offering. We are also offering master franchisees in which the master franchisee will, for any city, will have a right to sub-franchise the outlets also. तो अगर कोई पुणे के लिए मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी लेता है with a minimum commitment of 12 to 15 outlets, he will have a right to sub-franchise the brand as well, and will have a profit share in that also. So that will be another plus to the master franchisee. One, he will have his outlet of his own. Second, he will earn from the franchisee that he will be giving to other sub-franchisees. And thirdly, he will also have a monthly revenue share from the royalty that we will be offering to a master franchisee in Maharashtra or for any city in Maharashtra or in any other city.
Sure, Mayank जी. एक क्वेश्चन और है. I think he's one of our partners from Delhi. गगन जी हैं. वो पूछ रहे हैं because हमने delivery और एक 600 sit down format की बात की है. He wants to know if there's also an opportunity for a cloud kitchen, because most of the brands today, especially in this category, are getting into cloud kitchen. So is there an opportunity for somebody to get into a cloud kitchen model only?
Yes, of course they can come up with a cloud kitchen model also, but what I will suggest is, instead of going for a cloud kitchen, this model is the beauty of this model is this is scalable with a minimum space. So I would suggest कि अगर instead of getting a big cloud kitchen, अगर छोटा outlet भी मिल जाता है, तो this will be another plus, because the retail sales भी उनको plus होगी, and of course we have well systems for delivery, तो cloud kitchen वाला काम तो already they can do.
Sure. I think right, while the investment more or less would be same, because जो अभी आपका मॉडल है उसमें 3 लाख के अलावा 7 लाख का है, जिसमें सारा का सारा इक्विपमेंट एंड बेसिक I would say work at the outlet which requires to be done. And also for a cloud kitchen, the only difference would be it is completely dependent on deliveries. आपकी जो लोकेशन होगी वो शायद इतनी प्राइम नहीं होगी. It will be somewhere which is, that's why it's called a dark kitchen. आपके rentals comparatively कम होंगे, but your delivery cost would be high. And since they have an extensive menu, while if there's a good location for a cloud, that can also be considered, but a delivery is something which they've experimented and would work well. Last question मैं जो मैं लूंगी is from Syed ji from Bombay, and because there are many players, especially in this category, roles, it is a range also. हर city में एक अपना taste है, and there are brands which people consume. So अगर एक हम नई location में जाते हैं, नई city में जाते हैं जहाँ पे brand awareness comparatively कम होती है, तो हमारी as a brand हमारी क्या एक तो launch या marketing हमारा क्या support रहता है, and दूसरा how do you think we should be able to differentiate ourselves vis-a-vis the other players in the market?
A very good question, Sonia ji. First of all, we provide complete marketing materials. We tell them how to market the product in any city. और अगर already competition है, already players है, तो this is a plus for our brand, because we have a largest possible variety under rolls, under wraps. There are brands that serve only rolls, or there are brands who work only on biryanis. This is a brand that will come into a market which will have larger potential, because we serve everything under this menu. Largest variety of rolls. Any brand cannot have more variety than what we have under rolls wraps. We also serving 10 to 12 categories of biryanis under veg, non-vegetarian, which will also help us increase this market potential. Because customer will have a greater variety, and we will also provide complete marketing support. We will tell them how to market the brand in any city.
I'll take a minute, Mayank ji. I have tried to take your menu from Zomato. Friends, you can have maybe a quick look at the menu, and Mayank ji, maybe you can take all our viewers quickly. So we have
this is half the menu. This is half the menu.
So this is rolls, veg and non-veg. We have tikkas. I think there's a big variety of tikkas. There's hot dogs, and then you come down, which has shawarmas, rice and biryani combos being served. And if you look at the APCs, which starts from about I think 50 odd rupees for a roll, and it goes up to, I would say, 500 is a big platter, which has 4. I think it's good enough for at least three people. And I'll also go to the next page.
This is the complete Chinese cuisine, and see the pricing also, Sonia ji. This veg noodles or anything that starts with 70 rupees only.
Right, so in this very expensive menu, they're almost about, I would say, 15 items each on veg and non-veg. And it also includes your North Indian main course. So while we call it rolls point, it almost has everything including the other cuisines, which is North Indian and also Chinese, which is included. And this is the last, yeah, I think this is all day, which includes cheese omelette, masala omelette. That's all day dining menu.
Yeah, this is the egg special menu that we serve.
Great. And actually, सारा का सारा जो menu है हमारा, this is all across both the formats. I think it's very very extensive. It's a big menu. But इसमें अगर हम बात करें, आपका जो highest, you know, if I have to say, which is the biggest selling item in the entire menu?
Everything, madam, everything for every category is available in this menu. Rolls, youngsters will come for rolls, others will come for tikkas. The people who want to have something solid, they will come for signature main course dishes. Now, this is the menu that we have taken a very unique items across India. We've taken galati kebab from Lucknow, we've taken biryani from Hyderabad. So we've taken keema pav from Mumbai, which is our signature dish, which people come out for to our outlet. तो इस मेनू के लिए ऐसा कहना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा कि ये चीज ज्यादा चलती है या ये चीज कम चलती है. टिक्कास भी हमारे बहुत चलते हैं, which contribute to major sales of the day. Rolls, of course, we are pioneers in rolls. मतलब we've serving such huge variety since 11 years. पूरा recipe पूरा different cuisines उसमें है. मेन कोर्स सिग्नेचर डिशेस हैं. वी डोंट सर्व कंप्लीट मेन कोर्स की सारी चीजें मिलेंगी, बट वी हैव सिग्नेचर मेन कोर्स डिशेस जिसमें पूरा मेन कोर्स का काम हो जाता है. वी हैव कंप्लीट चाइनीज कुजीन. जिसको चाइनीज खाना है वो चाइनीज के लिए आएगा. चाइनीज विल आल्सो कंट्रीब्यूट टू अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ द सेल फिगर्स.
Sure. Right, and that's very extensive. So, and you have kind of picked up flavors from all the major, I would say, cuisines and markets, making it very very inclusive for every, I would say, region to adapt. And friends, I do see questions and many of you raising hands. I will only request अगर आप अपने जो भी questions हैं आप लिख दें इस पे. And second, we have our teams which are working with Mayank ji, and we like to maybe pick up a date in the coming week जहाँ पे जो भी आपके questions हैं, अगर आप 1-on-1 discussion करना चाहते हैं या outlet भी visit करना चाहते हैं, मेरा कहना होगा अगर जो भी आसपास रहते हैं अगर वो visit करना चाहते हैं, maybe take one day out, spend some time at the outlet. Do as much as, I think there's a huge menu, one cannot try all that, but as much as you can experience jaake, that's where your real information would come from. And lastly, एक क्वेश्चन मैंग जी मैं और लूंगी. मिस्टर ओम प्रकाश ढल हमारे पार्टनर हैं. Where the brand is capable of reaching out franchisee at a distant places like भुवनेश्वर के बारे में स्पेसिफिकली पूछ रहे हैं कि अगर आपने वहां पे सपोर्ट या सप्लाई करना है, will that be okay for you to support and supply in a location like भुवनेश्वर?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मैडम, कहीं पे भी भुवनेश्वर या कहीं पे भी there won't be any supply problems or supply related difficulties. Also, we will give a complete training to the staff, so they will not have any challenges or difficulties in Bhubaneswar as well.
Helpful. And Meenakshi, before we close, एक request है, कोई भी एक दिन जो आपको लगता है अगले हफ्ते में, and Ashna, if you already have a date, I think we did decide on a date.
Yes, ma'am. We have blocked 9th of April as a discovery day.
Okay, so I think 9th अगर आपका then available है, I'll request everybody to reach out to us, and 9th के दिन 9th April, which is next week, हम मैंग जी के साथ आपका कॉल मीटिंग जो भी आप करना चाहते हैं फिक्स करेंगे. हमारे जो कंसल्टेंट्स हैं, we have जगदीश जी from Indore who's working very closely with मैंग जी. He will also reach out to all of you, and we also have our teams from other cities who are already on this webinar. वो भी आप सबसे reach out करेंगे, especially everybody who's written questions to us. वो हमारी priority रहती है उनको सबसे पहले reach out करने की, because sometimes because the inquiry base or is sometimes very high, we end up reaching out to everybody, but जो questions पूछते हैं वो कई बार late हो जाते हैं. So we'll take everybody who's asked questions on a priority, and we'll fix your time for the coming week. And Mayank ji, any last message जो आपका है business के बारे में, partnership के बारे में, anything that you want to talk about the business to the audience which is listening to you?
But Sonia ji, the last thing that I like to conclude with, we are looking for people who are very passionate about doing this doing this business. Also, we want people जो बहुत sincere हों और करना चाहते हों, और they will not have any problems. We have like 11-12 years of experience. पूरी rock solid roots हैं. We have come up with a rock solid 100% success rate model. उनको चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. But we need people who are very passionate about any business who want to come. Or if I will request, if they come down to Indore, their hunt for any investment will be over. If they come down to Indore and see the footfalls and the business that we are doing.
And somebody had asked कौन से 3 locations हैं मयंक जी जहाँ पे आप रन कर रहे हैं? अगर आप locations का नाम भी बताना चाहते हैं, anyone who's there can come and visit.
Yeah, people of Indore already know us. हमारे 3 outlets हैं, 3 major locations पे. One is at Vijayanagar, one is at Saket Square, and the third one is at Sapna Sangeeta Tower Square. All these are main market locations, prominent locations of Indore, and they can come anytime. They are most welcome. They can also call me anytime they want, and they can visit the business.
Sure. Thank you so much, मयंक जी. बहुत I would say धन्यवाद आपका आज आने के लिए.
Thank you,
friends,
Sonia.
thank you all our friends जिन सबने क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं, अपना 1 घंटा हमारे साथ लगाया है बिजनेस को समझने के लिए. और ये छोटा सा एफर्ट है फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया की तरफ से जहाँ पे हम बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज लेके आ सकें हर रोज आपके लिए. और आप जितने मर्जी आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं बिजनेस को लेके आप प्लीज आप पूछिए, बिकॉज जब तक आपकी तसल्ली नहीं होती तब तक हमारा ये एंडेवर रहता है कि हम आपको सेटिस्फाई करें जितने भी आपके बिजनेस रिलेटेड, मॉडल से रिलेटेड, अपॉर्चुनिटीज रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. सो अ स्मॉल एंडेवर फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम आवर एंड एवरी डे वी ब्रिंग दीज अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू यू. And with this, I like to thank you and remind you again for next week, 9th of April is where we bring one-on-one discussions with all of you. Our teams will reach out to you and connect you with Mayank ji for a detailed discussion. And with this, Archana, I'll request you to kindly do the closing remarks.
Sure. So thank you so much, Mayank ji, for joining us today and presented your business
Archana
model.
ji, you are always very kind.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for joining us today and sharing the entire insights about the industry as well as about the brand. We would like to thank our dear participants as well as friends who have joined us today. Hope we served you in the best of the manner. Please do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. That's the business hotline number. We request each one of you to save this number in your phone book, because we give opportunity every day to each one of you through our broadcast messages. You can also connect with us, join us at a different social handles, platform, information on your screen. We are also available at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited. You want to revisit, you want to re-see all the previously done webinar, please go under video section. We have a recorded version of each and every webinar. You can also join and connect with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs, information on your screen. And tomorrow it's Saturday, and Saturday our objective is always to bring top opportunity under particular vertical. And tomorrow we are representing top 5 brands for QSR as well as ice cream business opportunities. So that's the franchisee weekend series we are bringing for you. Please do registration today at the same business hotline number, because it's your chance to meet digitally 5 different brands in under particular vertical. So do registration today so that you can join us tomorrow sharp 12 p.m. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Our team will definitely connect with you post this webinar. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Benji. Thank you so much, Archana. Thank you, friends.
Thanks everyone.